Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your Nintendo account credentials, and the console PIN if you have it. Turn on the switch and connect to the internet, then make sure the system is updated. Once done, go straight to System Settings and open Parental Controls or launch the Parental Controls app. You need to start here to access PIN recovery or account-based controls. This is the first actionable step that lets you choose whether to modify the console PIN or manage controls via the linked Nintendo account. You now perform the main steps depending on your situation. If you know the PIN, enter it and select Disable or Adjust restriction levels, make changes and confirm. If you forgot the PIN, tap Forgot PIN and follow prompts to request a master key or start account recovery. You may need the email on file. Once you choose Account-Based Management, sign in with the linked Nintendo account to override local PIN settings and synchronize new parental rules across consoles, which is cleaner and easier to reverse. Complete the process by confirming your changes and rebooting the console, then verify the change by accessing a previously restricted game or setting. If recovery fails or you cannot access the linked Nintendo account, contact Nintendo support and be ready with account details and proof of ownership. Make sure to remove or relink accounts only after confirming the new settings propagated to other devices. One key troubleshooting tip: if restrictions persist, clear cache and restart, then retry recovery or contact support for a master key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.